Hi there, hoppers! For the first time in crypto history, it's possible to link signalers to a trading bot, so you can combine the prediction powers of the signalers with our 24/7 working hopper. But what is a signaler? A signaler is a person or group of people that scan the crypto markets and look for signs that the rate of a currency is going to move upwards. But how do we subscribe to a signaler? How do I know if a signaler sends good signals? And what are the best config settings? First, let's take a look at our signals page. Our hopper is trading on Poloniex, so not every signaler will be available. Some signal for every exchange, and some only for a certain exchange. These signalers are the ones available with the publishing of this video. New signalers are added in the future. All our signalers have performance reports. That's what makes our platform so special. Click View Report. The result shows the peak of its gain since the signal. Click View for a detailed report. First, subscribe to your signaler and pay if there's a subscription fee. Go to Config. We're trading on Poloniex, and we have collect currency on Bitcoin. We're not selecting a strategy, but we're only going to trade with signals. You can do both if you'd like, but we like to devote and optimize this hopper solely to a signaler. That's it! Your hopper is ready to buy those signals. Even though the signalers have very positive performance reports, please note that past performance does not guarantee future results. Have fun trading with our signalers platform. Happy hopping! Cryptohopper.com